GraphSketch.com is a tool you will hear me refer to time and time again throughout your course. Again, that's GraphSketch.com. If you type that into your web browser, this will appear. It's just a blank graph, but on the bottom left-hand side of the screen, you'll see all of these f of x equals boxes with different colored squares next to them. So this is where you would type in your function. So let's say, for example, you're being asked to compare f of x equals x and f of x equals x plus 5. And we want to know what the difference is. Well, if I type in those equations on different function boxes and hit plot, see that it's plotted f of x equals x in blue and f of x equals x plus 5 in red. Using this, you're able to track the transformation. So for example, I could note that when I added 5, that my graph translated upward 5 units. Building onto that, if I wanted to introduce a third one, I could say, well, what happens if I have 2x plus 5? And I would note that I have vertically stretched or horizontally compressed by a factor of 2. Now, if the lingo that I'm using doesn't really mean anything to you, don't worry about it. The point is that this is a really cool and very simple, very user-friendly website just to use to compare graphs, especially when we get into transformations, when you're tracking the way graphs move and respond to different inputs. This is an absolutely awesome tool to use, and it keeps track of everything for you in convenient different colors. Once you get to pro status with this thing, you're welcome to mess with the range, so the X view and the Y view. But in general, I find that the automatic populated window is more than sufficient. So again, that's GraphSketch.com.